In this video, I show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube on both your mobile device and your computer. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's jump straight into this guide. Firstly, I'll show you how to do this guide on a mobile device, and then I'll show you how to do it on a computer. So on a mobile, all you need to do is make sure you're on the YouTube app and then go to the top right of YouTube and go and tap on your profile picture just like so, and you'll be taken to this menu here. Then from this menu, what you need to do is go and tap on settings just like so, and settings will take a moment to load, and here we are. As you can see, there's quite a few options to go and choose from. Then what you need to do is go and tap on general just like so, and then from your general, all you need to do is go to the third option down, which it is at the moment, and go and tap on appearance where it says use device theme, tap here. Then as you can see, we've got use device theme, dark theme and light theme. So if I wanted to go and make it YouTube dark, then I'd go and tap on dark theme just like so. And as you can see, we've now gone and switched it to dark theme and dark mode, and that's literally it. So in order to go and change it, then all you need to do is go to the top right of YouTube and make sure you've gone and signed into an account. So in the top right, there's either going to be a sign in button here, or it's going to go and show your YouTube profile picture. Then you want to do is go and tap on that just like so, and you need to come down this list here until you can go into the option for appearance. Then at the minute it says device theme, because as I explained before, your YouTube will primarily go and use what theme your computer's set to. But if it isn't, then all you need to do is go and tap here, and then as you can see, we've got these three options here, and this setting applies to this browser only. We've got use device theme, dark theme, and then light theme. So to go and use dark mode, that is going to be dark theme. So go and tap on dark theme like so. YouTube is going to go and refresh, and here we are in dark theme.